Good morning, class 8. Now we reached at the second module of chapter number 2, history, from trade to territory. East India Company begins trade in Bengal. They established their first factory in 1651 in Bengal. So the East India Company generally start its trading with the Bengal. Bengal was the rich place for all mercantile, but slowly, gradually, Britishers they start interfering in our personal matters. Today, we have one example of this. The thing was that the company by 1696 built a fort around their settlement. Without the permission of the Nawabs, they built a fort around the factory. And third thing was that the company continuously tried to press for more concession and multiple accepting privilege. So the thing was that they were using farman, that was duty free, tax free. It was received by the Mughal Empire, and they used this one for their betterment. Now there was the thing that how trade led to better. First, Bengal Nawab refused to grant the company concessions. Whatever they were having the duty free dastak, he refused. Second, demand large tributes for the company's right to trade. Sirajuddaulah, he want that if company want to trade in Bengal, they have to pay good amount of tax for the right of trade. And third thing was that stop fortification. That why you require a fort when you are in my domain, when you are in West Bengal, and I am the Nawab of the Bengal. That is my duty to protect you. That why you are doing this thing, why you are building the fort. But they refused, and it was resulted in a form of black hole. When Bengal Nawab, he gave the message to company commanders that there is no need to build a fort around Fort William or company factories, but they refused. Then Sirajuddaulah attacked on 20 June 1756 and forced more than 100 Britishers to live in a room of 14 by 18 feet, and several Britishers died. It resulted in known as the Black Hall incident in Kolkata. After that, the company also want to fight, and it was resulted in a form of Battle of Plassey 1757. So today's topic is that they set up their factory. Points to remember: they set up their factory in 1696. They built a fort around it. They want their own compensations. They want that more privilege to trade in India. They using dastak tax-free trade. And in Bengal Nawab, he refused to give the grant to the Britishers or company members or the company commanders, and he demand large amount for the right to trade in Bengal, and he asked them to stop the fortification. They refused, and it was resulted in a form of black hole. So, and there were a story regarding this, that at the time of death of Alivardi Khan, he give message to Sirajuddaulah, don't believe on Britishers because they are as a trader, but slowly, gradually they captured the power. So it was in the mind of Sirajuddaulah that Britishers want to capture the power, and it was real thing that afterwards it happens also. So in short, today we learned that company trade expand and it led to battle. So in next module, we will study about Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. So go through with these two battles and then we will discuss. Thank you.